parts that keep you moving. Discover Partsnspare.com. Introducing Partsnspare.com, your destination for genuine spare parts delivered with unmatched quality and service. At Partsnspare.com, we understand the importance of reliable spare parts to keep your vehicles running smoothly. From engines to brakes, air filters to headlights, we offer a comprehensive range of genuine parts from leading manufacturers. Ordering from Partsnspare.com is simple and convenient. With our user-friendly interface, you can find the parts you need and place your order in just a few clicks. Once your order is placed, our dedicated team works tirelessly to ensure fast and reliable shipping, getting your parts to you when you need them most. And our commitment to customer satisfaction doesn't end there. Our knowledgeable support team is always here to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. Experience the difference with Partsnspare.com. Genuine quality, genuine service, every time. Visit Partsnspare.com today and discover why we're the trusted choice for vehicle owners everywhere.